Hey, what's up? This is Jason Hopkins, and I wanted to really quick make a quick video on the number one reason why most are failing at affiliate marketing. Now, before I begin, I want you to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification so that you're not missing out on any future content. And if you're watching on Facebook, just give me some hearts and some likes. Now, the reason why most affiliate marketers fail is because they're focused too much on the money. Now, when I first started on this journey, I was emotionally obsessed over making money, and my situation was I hated being stuck at a job, becoming some corporate slave, and I just needed to break free from corporate America fast. Now, eventually I was able to get over this obsession. It took years of practice. So what you want to do is, when you're building your affiliate marketing business, don't focus on the money. The money is going to come. You have to just be patient. Now, generating leads and sales, those are just simply steps that it's going to lead to something much greater. You can't control the outcome of generating leads and sales, but what you do have control over is the process. But that's not the bigger picture to look at. You have to focus on your why. You want to generate leads and sales, great, but why? What is going to change once you achieve the goal of making more money? Right? How is your life going to change once you see yourself having this success? That's the focus. You must have an emotional connection to your why, because this is going to make all the difference for yourself and for your business. Write it down, put it on the whiteboard, and before you start your business, just read it out loud to yourself before you start working on your business. Now, if you continue to focus on the money, then nothing's ever going to change for you. I trust you got value from this video, and if you did, again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching on Facebook, give me some hearts and some likes. Now, I have a number one recommended program. You want to click that link in the description box below, and you'll be directed to another page where you're going to be putting your name and your email. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.